A malfunctioning furnace can be a serious issue, as it can lead to a colder home or even a fire hazard. One of the most common furnace problems is a malfunctioning thermostat. A thermostat that is not working properly can cause your furnace to overheat or not heat at all. Another common issue is clogged or dirty filters. Clogged or dirty filters can cause your furnace to run inefficiently. A blower motor that is not working correctly can cause your furnace to run erratically and waste energy. A pilot light that is not functioning correctly can cause your furnace to shut off unexpectedly. All of these potential problems can be avoided with regular furnace maintenance.